So we went back and retrospectively looked at all of our Lentigo maligna cases, and long behold, we were able to actually see that structure. So notice there's a follicle here, there's pigment around the follicle, and then there are radial projections that are coming out of the follicle, almost like the rays of the sun coming out of the follicle. And this is the perifollicular linear projections, and it's basically a variant of the circle within circle feature. This is the publication that I'll refer you to regarding the structure. And if you notice the pathology on the bottom right hand, you'll notice these little projections, these arms that are coming out of the hair follicle. And instead of going sort of curving around the follicle, in this case, they're kind of more linear. So you can see how the two kind of are probably the same entity, circle within circle and linear projections, the same entity histologically. What we found is that the specificity for melanoma was 96%. And the most interesting thing that we found is that there were about 7% of Lentigo maligna lesions where the only structure to help to make the diagnosis of Lentigo maligna was the presence of perifollicular linear projections. And that's highlighted here, again, to show you what these linear projections look like. The odds ratio when that structure is present is 26, so very high odds that if you see this, that it is likely a Lentigo maligna.